Your script on saving money with GST is well structured and informative. Here are a few suggestions to enhance it further. 1. Look for GST exempt items or services. Identify exempt goods and services. In many countries, certain items like basic food items, healthcare services, education, and some essential goods are exempt from GST. By purchasing exempt items, you can reduce the overall GST paid. Research and plan purchases. Stay informed about which products and services are exempt or attract lower GST rates. This can help you plan your shopping or business purchases more strategically to minimize GST costs. 2. Benefits of GST Input Tax Credit, ITC, for business owners. Claim ITC on business expenses. Business owners can claim a credit for the GST paid on business-related purchases, like raw materials, office supplies, and equipment. This reduces the tax burden on the final product or service. Maintain proper records. To fully benefit from ITC, businesses must keep detailed records of purchases and sales. Accurate documentation ensures that the credit is claimed correctly and without any penalties. Reinvest the savings. The savings from the input tax credit can be reinvested into business growth, helping you improve profitability. 3. Practical tips for minimizing GST impact on personal finances. Optimize GST on everyday purchases. Plan your purchases to maximize exemptions and minimize the impact of GST on personal spending. For example, buying in bulk when possible, or opting for exempt categories. Monitor GST rate changes. Stay updated on any changes to GST rates and adjust your budget accordingly. If the rates increase, try to purchase before the rate change takes effect to save on costs. Avoid unnecessary purchases. Limit the purchase of non-essential goods and services that attract higher GST. Focus on essentials, and when possible, buy them from sellers offering GST discounts or deals. By adopting these strategies, individuals and businesses can optimize their spending and make the most of available GST savings opportunities. Would you like any specific changes or additions to the script?